So you can create content without ever showing your face. But recently, some of the creators here in South Africa, Grace Mondlana and Owami, they exposed or maybe shared people who have been using their content and go to different channels to repost that content. And that is just so wrong. You can still create content without having to take someone else's work. I am going to show you exactly how to do that in this video. I'm going to show you how to generate ideas, how to put content together, how you can edit, as well as what tools can you use in order for you to start making money online using the power of AI as well as social media. If you're new here, hi and welcome. My name is Ntombi. I show ways of making money on this channel, and you can also follow me on my Instagram so that you can get updated with the new opportunities that I post over there. Now let's get back to the video. Before I go ahead and speak to you guys about how you can actually make your own faceless channel or maybe content, it doesn't have to be YouTube, it could be Facebook, even TikTok or Instagram, or just shorts here on YouTube. So first of all, Grace Mondlana shared that there was someone who was using her name and her content, creating a fake maybe Facebook page as well as a YouTube channel. And when I checked, that YouTube channel had more than 6,000 subscribers. So meaning this person has been really making money using Grace's work. That is just wrong. And also Owami shared as well that there was someone who was using her podcast episodes by uploading them to TikTok. So guys, you can actually be creative and stay consistent in uploading content where you don't even have to show your face, not even using your own voice, don't even need a camera, you don't even need editing skills, and you can use the power of AI by doing that. And in this video, I want to show you how you can actually do that and how you can come up with ideas that are going to work for you and still monetize your content without having to take from other people. They work so hard in order for them to be where they are today. So let's get started without wasting any of your time. So to get started, first of all, you are going to need to generate ideas. You need to come up with what niche are you going to go for. So I would say that go on ChatGPT and then try to create content with what's already working. You don't have to reinvent the wheel, use what's already working. But here are some of the ideas that you can also look into. So there's a lot of ideas, from entertainment to documentaries to stories. People are creating stories or African stories, cartoons as well. Also ask ChatGPT to create a script for you for that niche or for that topic, and then you can copy your script and then paste it on 11 Labs. So 11 Labs, it is an AI voice generated tool. So you can use 11 Labs. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below this video. You can start creating your account and start using 11 Labs. So you can go there and explore. They've got lots of AI generated voices that you can use for your content. You can even choose the gender. You can choose even the accent that you want to use for your content. Let's listen to one of the voices they've got here on 11 Labs.
If you smile when no one else is around, you really mean it.
Our distrust is very expensive.
The thing always happens that you really believe in, and the belief in a thing makes it happen.
They sound authentic, they sound like real people, but they are AI generated voices, and you are allowed to use them and still monetize your content. On 11 Labs, you can choose a voice that is going to be a voiceover for that content. Okay, so once you choose a voice that you think is going to be perfect for what you are creating, then you can edit your script. So I always say edit your script so that it doesn't sound robotic or someone is reading, but you want something that is going to be more natural. After that, you are going to click on generate, and then your script is going to be generated. Of course, you're going to choose which voice you want to use, a female voice or a male voice. And then after you generate, you are going to download your voice. After you have downloaded your voice, you're going to see it over there, and then you are going to go to Canva or CapCut to edit your video. When you are starting out and you are not really good with editing, I would say go for Canva. And the reason for that is because Canva already has videos or template videos that are already there. So you can just use those videos, but you have to be careful not to use the same thing over and over again. So get creative, or maybe go and download more videos from Pixels as well, because they do have videos over there. So just get creative. Just make sure that before you use the videos, you make sure that those are the videos that you are allowed to use and get monetized from. For an example, if you're doing Bible verses, you would go over there and look maybe for something that is going to be like videos that are going to show nature, of course, right? Because you're speaking about Bible verses. Maybe you can go and search for sunset, or go and search for ocean or waves, or mountains, whatever, but you want something that has to do with nature because you're speaking about Bible verses, if your content is around that. And the videos around that are going to come up, and then you can choose which videos you're going to use for your content. Make it interesting, make it like something that you would listen to, something that you would watch as well. So you're going to copy your script and go to Canva, and you're going to click on text. After you click text, and then you can just paste your script over there, and you are going to then take your video that you have downloaded, then you upload it on Canva. After you upload it, then you can click on it, and then you are going to sit at the bottom over there. And then after this, you can play it. If you feel like your voice does not match with the screen, or maybe it's too fast or too slow, you can adjust. So always go to the bottom of your screen, click on it, and then right click. If you need to cut your voice, then you can, your voice over, you can do so by clicking and right clicking, and then you can cut it, and then you can shorten it or remove what you do not want and just delete that part. Then after that, you have your short or you have your long form video.
Isaiah 41:10. Fear not, for I am with you. Be not dismayed, for I am your God. Philippians 4:13. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Jeremiah 29:11. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to give you hope and a future. Psalm 23:1. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. Let these words carry you through today.
You have to be consistent and keep on uploading, and by keeping on uploading, you can make even more content. It doesn't have to be a YouTube channel. Like I was saying, that you can even create a Facebook page, because Facebook does pay South Africans right now, so take that advantage as well. You can create a TikTok account, you can even go and create Instagram account. As opportunities that you can get by creating content without even have to show your face, by getting monetized, by also collaborating with brands as well, and they can pay you for that. Also through selling stuff. Maybe if there's something that you are selling, you can also put your shop over there, or you link to a website and people can go and buy. So that's it, guys. You don't really have to go and take other people's content in order for you to get monetized or to create content, because they work hard to come up with ideas, shooting, editing, for someone to just go and take what they have already created and repost it. So I hope this was helpful. Please leave a like. Do like, if you, because I can see you guys are watching it, you don't like the videos, please do like the video. If you like the video, guys, just click like. Okay, just go and click like, share as well, because maybe other people, they will also want to create content, but they don't want to show their faces. But you can actually do this. Get creative, use the tools that are available, and get started. I know a lot of people who want to do this, but they don't want to sit like this and talk to people or be seen or anything like that. But they would love to create content, but it's just that maybe they feel intimidated by a lot of things, maybe editing, or even coming up with ideas, or not even knowing what is it that they are going to talk about or create content around. So I get it. So I hope this was helpful. I hope that you get started as well and start creating content, because there's a lot of opportunities that you might be missing for not getting started. So I'll leave all the links in the description box down below, and you can watch this other video over here as well if you want to get started with affiliate marketing. I'll see you in this video over here.